Hello everyone, here is Yuanhui, and today I will go over the homework 11, question number 2. In question number 2, it says it's suggested that the follow function of y. So for part 1, it says that the function of y is equals to e powered by negative absolute y. So let's see. For the fv equals to e power of negative absolute y v, we can see e power of negative absolute v is even, and secondly e power of negative v is smaller or equal to e power of absolute v, which is equal to 1. So we can see that r tau is smaller or equal to r0. And third, we can see because the e power of negative absolute v is less than 1. So third, we can know the e power of negative v, which is by the ft step, we can see the by the Fourier transfer process, we can see which is equals to alpha over alpha power of 2 plus w power of 2, which is non-negative. So because it's even and r tau smaller or equal to r0 and Fourier transfer is non-negative, so you can see it is an autocorrelation function, and e power of, because of e power of negative absolute value larger than 1, we can see it's a power spectrum. And in part B, it says for the fv equals to sine power of 2 v over v power by 2. So from that we can see first the fv is even function. Secondly, we replace the v to tau, which is limited tau to 1 to 0 of sine power by 2 tau, and tau a power of 2 is equal to 1, which means the r tau smaller to r0. So we can see the fv by using the Fourier transform can get a graph like this. So we can see it's non-negative and it's even, and because it's even and r tau smaller and equal to rt, and Fourier transform is non-negative, so which is the autocorrelation function. And because the sine power of 2 w over w power of 2 is larger than 0, which is power spectrum. And in part C, it says fv equals to 1 when absolute v is smaller than a, and equals to 0 when absolute v larger than alpha. So by using the Fourier transform function, we can see the fw is equals to integral of infinity to negative infinity, and fw times e power of 2 pi alpha and w equals to the we can get which is equals to the 2 times sine alpha w over w, which is non-negative. And from above we can see it's not autocorrelation function, because fw larger and equal to 0, we can say it's power spectrum.